Hello again, everyone. I'm back with another case video. This is the Caseology Nano Pop Case for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. You can get it on Amazon's store, on Amazon at the Caseology store for $10.40 right now as a Black Friday deal. They have it in blueberry navy, which is the color I have here. They also have it in prune charcoal. Yep, there it is. And that's $15.99. So if you prefer a different color, you can pay $5 more. It's up to you. But I went ahead and got the blueberry navy case. They also had on the Caseology website for $8, but I don't know if they're still available. That's actually where I got it from. So we'll go ahead and check it out. It's Caseology Nano Pop for the Z Flip 6. Now I had the OEM case, but the ring was kind of small, so I'm hoping the ring's a little bigger for this one. At least it was small for my hands, I'm not sure. Maybe it'll work out for you. Okay, we got the front half here and the bottom portion. Okay, we got lots of stuff in there. That's all we got in the box, nothing else. All right. So it says here, oh, we got lots of stickies, it looks like. So this one's gonna have a lot of extra stickies. Interestingly enough, when I order from the actual manufacturer, I seem to get better packaging and also more stuff. So again, I got this from the Caseology website, and it came with a lot of extra stickies, and yeah, got some stuff, little screen wipey thing there. It tells you how to put it on. So we'll go ahead and check that out. There's the bottom portion, and here's the top portion. Again, the packaging is way more involved when I order it from the actual website. Crinkle, crinkle. A couple of you complained about that crinkly sound, but nothing I can do about it. Okay, and it has a lot of stickies here as well. So it comes with plenty of stickies. So that's good. I kind of like the feel of it. It's kind of a nice feel. Typical Nano Pop feel, kind of rubbery. Got the harder plastic on the inside. So we'll check this out. So again, I have it in crafted black. I don't know, I kind of like the color. We'll see how it goes. I'm not going to take the stickies off, just going to pop it right on. Okay, there's the top portion there. And if you want to, you might need a screen protector for this one, for the front case. My favorite case is a Poetic case, but I have it with the built-in screen protector, so that may not work out as well. This one you need a screen protector on. That one works out much better, I should say. Excuse me. All right, so I like the fit so far. You can see as it goes nicely around the camera rings there. It's nice around the flash. It's again hard shell. So if you're going to need a screen protector, if you want this protected, if you're good, then you don't need to worry about that. Let me hold it the proper way here, I suppose. That's the proper way. Okay, I can already tell this ring is a little bit big. Well, it feels a little bigger at least. It's a plastic ring, and it has like, this is kind of rubbery. I'm not sure if I like that rubber. I'm wondering how that will last. Cutouts are fine, perfect. Caseology always does a good job with the cutouts. Yep, no problems there. Everything's good to go. Okay, yep. Volume works up and down. Let's check the, one thing I always forget to do is check the wireless charging. Honestly, because I don't use wireless charging that much, but let's check it out on this one. Works perfectly, wireless link charging. Just pop it right on there and it's good to go. So no problems with that. Again, you take the stickies off. You do see the Samsung doesn't have any kind of protection here for the hinge, so just something, if you're cool with that, that's fine. My biggest thing for these cases, I really like this this ring holder thing here, because when you're holding the phone, you know, kind of just, yeah, it kind of gives you a better grip. I will say it's not quite as flexible as I'd like it. It doesn't quite move as much. I like them to be a little more flexible here. And also, I'm not sure about the rubber. It's kind of a rubber feel, so I'm not sure how that will hold up. And not that I know, because I've only had it just now, but I'm curious how it would hold up. But, you know, for $10, $8, depending on where you get it, not a bad deal. Of course, the regular price, I think, is $40, which I would not pay anywhere near that for. I'd pay no more than maybe $10, $15 for this case. Yeah, so there's that. So, you know, holds pretty well. It has some, doesn't have a whole lot of lip protection, but these cases don't because of the nature of the flip design. So you're not going to get a lot of you're not going to get a lot of protection on the screen that kind of goes over the edges here. I guess lip protection is what I'm trying to say. So you're not going to get a lot of lip protection. But yeah, overall, I think it's a pretty solid case for one that has the ring, feels a little more sturdy. I definitely like it much better than the OEM case. Now, what they did not do is make the mistake of adding a little extra piece here. So if you watched my video on the OEM case, there's this little lip that goes right across here that I knew was going to be trouble. Like, it's just going to tear right off. So, you know, this one doesn't actually, they don't even bother with it because there's really no point, right? There's the charging port, and to have a little line or strip there, it's just going to come right off. So this is a better way to do it. Plus, to be honest, it still gives you plenty of protection here, so you're fine. I wouldn't worry about that too much. Everything works perfectly fine, though. You can access the fingerprint easily. You can access the power button. You know, fingerprint's not going to be affected. It's not too indented at all. It has a nice grippy kind of edge feel here, like you hear that scratch. It's because it has a nice kind of sandpapery, but not too harsh, obviously, feel to it there. This is soft. It's your typical Nano Pop case, although I will say it's giving me a little bit of Afflex vibes, just with the grip there. There's Caseology branding there on the side. You can see it. There we go. Okay. So, yeah, I like it. I think it's actually a nice case. If you want something more lightweight, you don't want to carry around a big sturdy, like the sturdy case with the big hinge protection like this Poetic Cake and the kickstand. You know, you don't want to do all that. You just want something light and easy to carry around that has the ring. Again, I always like the little ring thing because it just kind of, you know, it's easy to just play with and you don't need to worry about it. And then when you open it up, it does get a little bit, it's kind of tall, right? So this phone, I mean, I don't have any issues with it. I actually quite like it, especially because I read a lot of articles and newspapers on my phone. So newspaper articles, what have you. So this is actually kind of almost perfect for that. The long, thin kind of feel to it. But I could see that. So I like the ring, right? But I could see how it could be a little bit too long and a little bit weird to hold. So having the ring, I think, kind of helps that a little bit if you feel that way about your flip. But yeah, I definitely think this is worth it especially for the Black Friday price for $11, $10.40, whatever it is. You know, I know this prices vary sometimes depending upon, I guess, literally what state you're in and what your account is like and what have you. But right now it looks like it's $10.40. Again, it has good protection all the way around. So yeah, it's the Caseology Nano Pop. I got it in navy, and I would definitely recommend it. All right, I hope you're well. I hope your family's well, and take care of yourself. Bye-bye.